Ah! Guys! We got a phone call! Guess what I gotta do? I am going to get a swarm of bees. We have never gotten a swarm of bees before. So I am like, I'm freaking out. I'm excited. My adrenaline is like through the roof. Dusty is on his way home from work, so I am gonna hurry and basically drive like a bat out of hell, get these bees, and get to the farm. So guys, let's go do it. Suited up. As you can see, the swarm, there's 2 swarms. They're right there. So I'm gonna take my box and we'll get started on that. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so I do have the queen, so we can definitely get this.
You need to clip off the branch?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you need?
Just give me some scissors or whatever sharp you've got.
Did you have to get the top branch or they just go in?
They went in.
There's more bees on that one.
You know what? They'll just go right in.
Okay.
Okay. Angle the camera down. Okay guys, we've got that swarm. So I'll get the lid on and then we'll get the duct tape. Okay.
Oh my goodness. That is cool.
I'll get a shot of this. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so there they are. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, so there they are. We got the branch. And we've got, I think, just a couple up in there, so they'll all go in.
Fine, just push the button.
Just hold still, they come and they won't sting you.
You want me to go away if you're allergic?
So is she. She's worse than me.
Yeah, I'm allergic, but who cares?
Okay. And there's one flying by your butt.
It's okay.
Okay, I need my duct tape and some scissors.
Okay, where are they?
The duct tape is right there on
Somebody
the boat.
duct tape. We need duct tape and scissors.
Lily's on top of this.
You are awesome. Thank you.
That's Cheyenne. Everybody, YouTube USA.
So do these just barely just swarm just today, or?
Where are you? Yeah, we get swarms like all throughout the year in the trees usually.
Oh really?
Yeah, this is the first time we've seen them on her side. They're usually in my mom's yard right there.
Uh-huh.
Well, we had a swarm, what, a week ago?
Yeah, that.
You know what? I'm gonna leave you my guys' number
Because they,
because you call me.
This swarm is a lot smaller than the last
Yeah,
one.
Yeah.
we get mass like
Really?
massive, yeah.
Massive
huge, like
ones?
and then they go like this, like a tornado.
Yeah, yeah. So usually what that means is when they swarm is that they've ran out of room where they're at, and then what they do is they suck up all their honey, and then they move.
So how do you know you have the queen?
So okay, so when she was on the branch, she was
Did
about.
you see her?
I seen her. She was about that big.
So can you see her in here?
You know what? She's
Incredible if we could see her.
she is complete. Okay, here she is, right here,
Where?
right there. See where my hand is, right there.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Isn't she beautiful?
Where is she?
Okay,
She's
hold on.
right there.
Oh, I want to zoom in.
Where? Point again.
Oh, I see her. The big.
She's
Okay,
right
hold on,
there.
Hold on, hold on. I got it with the camera.
Okay. Yeah, it'll be able to show up on there. So what I'll do is I'll leave you guys my YouTube card,
Yes.
and you guys can go on and see this, okay? Because see what they're doing right here, right now, is that they're sticking their buttocks in the air, and they're sending out a pheromone to let everybody know to come into here because the queen, to alert them because the queen is in there.
She's in jeopardy.
Yep.
Okay. Oh wow, this is incredible.
That is really cool. Wish we would have come last week. That would have been cool to see the big one removed.
Yeah.
That was a little tall in the tree though.
Was it? Oh, up in there.
And where's?
Okay, so guys, I've got my whole duct tape right here, so we'll get this done. Tape this up really good, just for extra measure.
Yes, it is, huh?
Okay, so we're gonna get the lid on.
So what happens to the rest?
So the rest, what they'll do is they'll just kind of leave. I've gotten the majority of them in here, pretty much 90%.
Hey guys, what's up? I am Dustin Dean, and today we are.
I did the intro.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I was just going to vlog about how to catch wild butterflies.
I already vlogged about catching wild bees with my hands.
Oh, well, will you hold my jar?
No, you hold your own jar. More? Okay. Shake it again.
Yeah.
Oh, dust.
What?
Wait, that's a drone.
That's a drone.
That's a drone.
Okay, look in there.
There's still some in there.
Huh?
There's still some in there.
Just beat it, yeah, do that. smack it. What are we gonna do? Hold it. Don't smack it while it's touching. That's more in the package.
Yeah.
Oh, you even got a stinger in your hand. Is that a stinger?
Yep.
Oh. Is that a couple stingers?
Yep.
That's not good for me. I was pretty nervous standing next to her in my bee suit with my t-shirt on, and but look at all them look at the stingers. She's got stingers on the
Right there.
yeah.
Right there.
And the reason why is because it's what?
It's cloudy.
Overcasted?
Overcast.
What's the other reason why they'd be cranky?
It's nighttime.
Yep, it's evening time. So they are not in a good mood, so we'll just leave them be.
Yep.
Good job. Ow!
Thank you for going along with me today as I caught our first bee swarm. It was really a lot of fun, adrenaline, the whole 9 yards. So as you can see, they're swarming in the yellow box. So we'll probably come in the morning and check on them. So hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.